Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learner podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you're here with us again today. I hope you're all having a wonderful day.
Hey guys, it's Tom here. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of English Learner. Today we've got a really useful topic that everyone needs when learning English.
That's right. Today's topic is how to talk about yourself in English. It's something we all do when we meet someone new, start a job, join a class, or make new friends.
Exactly. It's one of the first things people ask you in English. Can you tell me about yourself? Or, what do you do? And sometimes learners don't know what to say or how to start.
Yes, but don't worry. In this episode, we'll show you how to do it easily and naturally, step by step.
Great! Let's start with the basics. When someone asks you to talk about yourself, the first thing you should say is your name. That's simple, right?
Yes, you can say, "Hi, my name is Anna," or "Hello, I'm Anna." Both are polite and friendly.
Then you can say where you're from. For example, I'm from Australia, or I come from China.
Right. If you're living in another country, you can say, "I'm from China, but I live in Singapore now." That shows more detail about your background.
Good point. Then you can talk about what you do. For example, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher, or I work in a company.
And if you don't have a job yet, that's fine too. You can say, "I'm a student," or "I'm looking for a job."
Exactly. After that, you can add a few sentences about your hobbies or interests. That makes your self-introduction more personal and interesting.
Yes. For example, in my free time, I like reading books and cooking, or I love listening to music and watching movies.
That's great. So let's try a full example. Anna, can you introduce yourself like you're meeting someone for the first time?
Sure. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from the United States, but I live in Cambodia now. I'm an English teacher and podcaster. In my free time, I love cooking, reading, and going for walks in the park.
Wow, that's perfect. It sounds natural, friendly, and not too long.
Thank you, Tom. What about you? How would you introduce yourself?
Okay, here's mine. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from Australia, and I've been teaching English for 5 years. I enjoy traveling, playing guitar, and trying new food from different countries.
That's great, Tom. You included your job, experience, and hobbies. It's really complete, but still easy to understand.
Thanks, Anna. And when learners practice talking about themselves, they should try to sound confident, not too fast, not too slow, just natural.
Yes, confidence is very important. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. The most important thing is to keep speaking. People will understand you.
Right. And it's good to use simple words. You don't need to say difficult sentences. For example, instead of saying, I am employed in the educational sector, just say, I work as a teacher.
Exactly. Simple English is clear English. And don't forget to smile when you introduce yourself. It helps you feel relaxed and friendly.
That's true. Smiling makes people want to talk to you. It also helps your voice sound warm and confident.
You can also talk a little about your family if it feels right. For example, I live with my parents, or I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Yes, that's nice. Family is an easy and natural topic. You can also talk about where you live. For example, I live in Beijing, or I live in a small town near the beach.
That's a great way to make your introduction more personal. You can also share something you like about your city, like, I love my city because it's peaceful and beautiful.
I like that. So after you say your name, country, job, hobbies, and maybe family, you can end with something positive like, it's nice to meet you.
Yes, that's a perfect ending. For example, "Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the US. I'm an English teacher and I love cooking. It's nice to meet you.
That's friendly and polite. It shows good manners, too.
Let's share some useful sentences our listeners can practice.
Good idea. I'll start. You can say, my name is blank. I'm from blank. I live in blank. I'm a student. Or I work as a blank.
Great. And you can add, in my free time, I like blank. My favorite food is blank. My favorite color is blank. I enjoy spending time with my friends.
Perfect. You can mix those to make a short paragraph about yourself.
For example, hi, I'm Sopik. I'm from Cambodia. I'm a student at Beltel International School. I love watching movies and listening to music. My favorite food is noodles, and my favorite color is blue. Nice to meet you.
That's a wonderful example. It's clear, natural, and easy to understand.
Yes, and learners can practice by saying it slowly, then faster each time. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll sound.
Another great tip, record yourself and listen back. You'll notice how your pronunciation sounds and where you can improve.
That's true. You can also practice with friends or classmates. Ask each other questions like, where are you from? Or what do you like to do?
Exactly. Turn it into a short conversation. For example, hi, what's your name?
My name is Anna. What about you?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. And you?
I'm from the US. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm a podcaster. I love helping people learn English.
See? It's simple, natural, and fun.
Yes, conversations like that help you practice not only introducing yourself, but also asking and answering questions.
Exactly. And remember, learning how to talk about yourself is the first step to having great conversations in English.
That's so true, Tom. So everyone listening, we want you to try this at home. Practice introducing yourself out loud in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone.
And if you want, share your short self-introduction in the comments. We'd love to read them and maybe mention some in our next episode.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. We all learn by doing. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
That's right. English is about communication, not perfection.
Exactly. So just be confident, be yourself, and have fun speaking English.
Well said, Anna.
Thank you, Tom. So everyone, that's all for today's episode. How to talk about yourself in English.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast for more easy English lessons and conversations.
Keep practicing every day and remember, your English will grow when you use it.
You can do it, learners. Keep going.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.